Hello, welcome to a new video. So we all know how this works, and if you don't, you can see my previous video. In this video I'm going to attach two of them to see how to proper remove them from your material without damaging the hole or your material. First gonna put two of those in. I'm going to show you two methods, one with the step drill bit and one with the normal metal drill. First we're gonna try this one. And I took a drill that's just a slight bigger than the hole. Almost the same, just one size bigger. And what we do then, and it's out. And the second method with step drill. And it's out. So we're gonna do that again. First take this one off. And the same is for the revetnut. Then we use the bigger step drill. You also have seen this in my other videos, of course. I hope. And these are a little harder to remove, but you can do it the same way with the step drill. There it is. And don't think about picking it up after you just done this, because those are very hot. So this is just the way how I did it, or I do it. If you have another way, please leave a comment. Let me know what's your way to remove them. For now, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Give this video a like if I helped you out solving this rivet and revetnut problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in next video. So this is how I do it all the time. Let me know in the comments how you do it. Please like this video if this video helped you, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.